Good morning, it's Crazy Cheap Chick. I'm in Europe, in London to be specific, and if you want to come along with me today, jump in my back pocket, so to speak, and see what I see, then come on. The reason that I save money at home, the reason I'm so cheap when I buy groceries and make my own household products and things like that, is so I can go on adventures like this. If you want to go on the adventure with me, you're more than welcome. Come on. Just walked across this pedestrian bridge. It's kind of unique. I think it's like you put glycerin in. There's something that you put in the water to make them stronger. Andrea can do this.
Dawn dish soap?
Huh?
Dawn dish soap?
It's a Dawn dish soap, but you also have to add like glycerin and...
Is that the glistening in it? Or is it sheer poison?
What you put in it like gives it more
Look at that one
strength.
going. Karen, look at that one blood. Bubble flowing.
If the kids weren't popping them, they'll go a long ways. Down here around the eye, it's like a carnival. Oh my goodness. So the lines at the London Eye are pretty long. So we did the fast track, and I would kind of recommend that. Here we go.
Welcome to the lastminute.com London Eye. Are you ready to be part of London's skyline? Whilst you're enjoying the amazing views, the ride might stop briefly at times.
Kind of see how people get on. It never stops, so you just have to walk on while it's moving. And it is air conditioned, which is wonderful. Going up on the London Eye. Okay, I think we're about at the top. Right there is the House of Parliament and Big Ben.
So you stay, so you get on red then turns around and starts again at one.
You still have to go back that way versus I don't know how long that
And over here is Buckingham
and
Palace.
all the stops.
1-2 stops.
3.
No, you gotta go on the red stops.
Yeah.
So it's
Buckingham
change
Palace.
versus another extra 2 stops.
And do you think Mom could walk first walk if you go all the way to Harrow's right now?
We're at the very top now. I'll show you this. The very top of the London Eye. See down to the boats.
Yes, that was the first thing and only thing of the
Around
day.
over this way.
Subjected Mom to walking already for
There you go. Give you a little bit different view.
outside.
Now Excuse me. Excuse me. A bit of sprinkles today, but not bad. For joining along. I hope you had a good time. If you did, give me a like, comment, share, or subscribe. Now, when I get home, I'll be back to making videos on saving money, on groceries and household products, and how to make certain recipes and renovating my house, all the things I normally do. But right now, while I'm in London, I'm having a great break, and I hope that you have enjoyed the video. If you have, give me that like, comment, share, or subscribe. As always, I really appreciate it. Have a great day.